This is my MODCHIP modded Xbox. It's a crystal green. There's a couple cracks that were there when I got it. The story behind this is I picked it up at a garage sale and the guy said, yes, it has a MODCHIP, it doesn't work. So I was able to pick this up for 20 bucks, not working, no accessories and whatever. And what I did, I took it apart and resoldered the MODCHIP and it worked. So then I really was kind of into Xbox modding, even at the time it was still 10 years old technology. But people were putting big hard drives in, so I had to scrap one terabyte drive, and I got this adapter and got it all working. 1 terabyte modded. I figure with this cover, it's pretty rough shape. That one day I'll find one at a garage sale. Even though I don't need a working one, it just has to be a good shape case. And I'll upgrade that. The inside of the old Xbox, getting a little dusty in its age. I'll blow this out. And there's the MODCHIP. So it has kind of a little jumper wire. It unplugs from the board. There's what the other side of the MODCHIP looks like. And those just plug into there. One little soldered jumper or 2 jumpers. There's just one little black one that goes to the other side of the board, obviously, which I'm not going to pull the board. But there's ways to set the different colors, but it just goes red on this for now. And there's what we got. Xbox Media Center. Launch DVDs, games. Games is pretty good. And in games we have, I think I put something like 200 games on here. I upgraded the hard drive to 1 terabyte. So I could probably upgrade that and fit all of the games on. I'm working on my emulation system at home. My main system is a PC using Launchbox. But this is a good setup because if you can get enough games on there, you just put the whole library, one machine, get to use the correct controller. And there's emulation here. But this isn't a main emulator that I use. So we've got Atari 7800, I guess. ColecoVision, television, arcade games, a couple miscellaneous things. I think that's Turbo Graphics. Sega Genesis. I'm not really sure what is that. I guess that's the Sega Master System. Nintendo, PlayStation, Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, which barely works, I think. Jaguar, I don't think it works that good. Atari 2600. Atari 2600 is kind of my go-to system. It was the first one I ever had as a little kid, so that's my MODCHIP Xbox. It could definitely use some work. This interface, there's got to be something better than this, I would say, but it's interesting. There's the total. You have to break up the hard drive to make it work with a 1 terabyte drive, so you get a whole bunch of drives. And I still got a little bit of room, but not a whole lot. That's modded crystal green Xbox.